To protect crops from phytophagous infestations through biological control, Aermatica3D has created the D-BOX, which allows you to distribute capsules containing useful insects, reducing the use of chemical products and the impact of heavy agricultural vehicles on crops and the environment. The D-BOX is fully integrated with the DJI system, and together with its dedicated app, it is possible to plan an autonomous flight mission quickly and easily. The capsule release distance is managed by the app, based on the GPS position. The system can release a capsule every 10 meters, flying at a speed of 15 meters per second. And thanks to the 4 redundant channels, it will never stop distributing. You can also monitor distribution in real time and generate a report with release locations. The report certifies distribution and coverage. With the D-BOX, it is possible to cover an area of 8 hectares per flight, then change batteries, recharge the tank, and resume where you left off. In this way, you can easily cover an area of over 150 hectares in one day. Productive and reliable. This is Aermatica3D D-BOX.